Hi, welcome to Home Automation. Home automated lighting is easy to set up and relatively low cost. It's a good way to get started in home automation. With home automated lighting, you can adjust lighting features and remotely turn on and off lights around your home, from inside your home or anywhere in the world. You can start simple by purchasing home automated globes. Setting up a home automated light globe is a great way to get started in home automation. You can also take it to the next level by setting up voice control. To get started, you need to purchase the right products. This is quite easily done. Most supermarkets and department stores stock home automation products. I'm using Mirabella as an example, but any product that is readily available at your supermarket or department store is fine. The home automated globes come with a downloadable app for your smartphone. The instructions for setting up the globe are contained within the app. The app will take you through a series of steps that will connect the app to the light bulb, and then the light bulb to your Wi-Fi. It's really quite easy and a great place to get started. Once you have set up your globe using the Home Automation app, you're ready to take it to the next level and start using voice activation. I use Google at my home, but Alexa is just as good and will have the same end result. With Google, you'll need a Google Nest and the Home app on your phone. With voice activation, you'll be able to turn on and off and adjust lighting levels, all with the use of your voice.